Affiliate marketing is one of the most revolutionary business models to this day due to a few factors such as the extreme flexibility, the low startup cost, only having to work on it a few hours a day to maintain the entire business. This business model has taken teenagers that know absolutely nothing about affiliate marketing to making thousands of pounds a month. But of course, all the upsides of affiliate marketing, there come the downsides, such as teenagers making more than their parents, and this just instantly destroys the credibility of affiliate marketing as a whole, because why would anyone believe that? If it's as simple as everyone else makes it out to be, then why doesn't everyone do it? Why isn't everyone successful? To be completely honest with you, I can't answer that, but it's probably because everyone has a sort of similar mindset of what if it's too good to be true, as if they're worried that they'll become too successful. But like me, all the other affiliate marketers oversimplify the whole process, which we do deserve a slap on the hand for. But to be honest, this sort of opportunity doesn't come around often. So you got to sort of ask yourself, what is the thing that's really stopping you? Hi, my name's Callum, and I want to help you develop your financial literacy and help you start making money as a teenager. In today's video, I'm going to go over what affiliate marketing is and how to get started building a business in 4 simple steps. So in hindsight, you can start taking action with what I've taught you and start making money ASAP. Let me just say here that I'm not teaching you copywriting or marketing. I'm basically giving you a structure so you can take the skills that you have and put it into place to start seeing some success. I myself have only been in affiliate marketing for about a couple months now, so I'm in no shape or form a pro. I've just been fully immersed in this business, so I know bits and bobs about it and I want to share it with you. So what actually is affiliate marketing? Well, by definition, affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which the business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer bought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. In other words, you pick a company and pick the product within a company, sign up to be an affiliate, they'll give you a special link which takes them to that product. You have that link, you promote it however you can, and if someone buys through that link, you get a commission. So you're basically running ads for the company in a sense. You're basically their advertisement and you get paid for doing so. And that's basically exactly what I do in an adaptable way. I say adaptable as social media and the internet is constantly changing. So I have to constantly update my affiliate marketing skills in order to stay valid. So how the hell do you actually get started with affiliate marketing, you ask? I'm going to break it down to 4 simple steps for you, which will consist of how you get educated, how you pick an affiliate marketing product, different promotion strategies you can use to get your link out there, and I'm going to go over funnel builders and email sequences. So education, how do you get educated? At the end of the day, affiliate marketing is a business. I know you'll see all the people out there talking about learning off YouTube, and that's great. I learned bits and bobs off YouTube, but you really need the fundamentals of affiliate marketing before you go and polish up your skills with such things as YouTube. And unfortunately, you just can't learn those core skills for free, and that's the way life is. Now, you're either someone who backs off because of that factor and doesn't want to take risk, or someone who goes at it head on and will cross those bridges when they get to it. And that is the most crucial factor between someone being successful and someone not being successful, the fear of risk. But the thing with affiliate marketing is it has such a low risk boundary, which means even if everything drastically failed, you don't really lose much at all. And that is why affiliate marketing is so popular, because it requires such little risk. If you think of any other business model such as drop shipping or investing, you have to spend thousands of thousands to build your own brand or to start your own e-commerce store. But in my eyes, with affiliate marketing, all you really need is £5, in which you would spend on a course which will teach you all these fundamental skills that I'm talking about. And see, the thing is, if you told a veteran businessman that the risk factor that was putting you off starting a business was £5, he'd probably laugh in your face. What I'm trying to say is you have to eliminate that idea of risk out of your head, as it's not relevant at all in this situation. So what actually is the 15-day business builder challenge? Well, they say it's 15 days, but really it's 15 videos, which are separated into a day each. Each video is no more than an hour long and has tasks underneath to complete. These tasks teach you different skills and basically sharpen up your mindset as an entrepreneur overall. So if you're serious about starting affiliate marketing, and before I tell you any of the other steps, I really suggest you go take out that training. So I'll leave a link to it at the top of the description down below. Now, step 2 is to pick an affiliate product. And for some reason, this is really overcomplicated, where it's really as simple as picking your interest, what you're interested in, whether it be fitness, reading, running, fashion, gaming, gardening, and pick a company within that niche. Now, if you don't know any companies within that niche, it's as simple as searching them up. For example, searching up gaming companies, and then you have a list of companies that are based around your interest. Now you want to pick a company, for example, take Ubisoft, which is a video game production company. Put in their name into Google and type up affiliate program afterwards. And there you have it, an affiliate program that you can possibly enroll in. Now some companies, when you sign up to be an affiliate, do require some specific standards to be met, such as to be an influencer or whatever, but it's about finding that sweet company that allows you to be an affiliate with good commissions, which, if you didn't know, is a percentage of the sale. In which I would recommend anything above 30%. So if you sold something for £10 and you had 30% commissions, you'd be making £3. You see, the key is high ticket affiliate marketing, where you sell a much more expensive product. So even if commissions are low, you get more of a sale. And with high ticket affiliate marketing, you also have to sell less products to make the same that you would with low ticket affiliate marketing, if that makes sense. So a lot of the time with companies, you have to go through an application process, as companies just can't allow any odd person to become an affiliate. But once you've got in, with my experience, you can go to a back office within the company, and there they'll give you your unique affiliate ID, which is basically a few numbers at the end of that link to the product, which basically lets the company know that you refer the customer to that product, which AKA gives you the sale. So there you go, you understand affiliate marketing, you have a product to promote. How do you promote it is a big question. There are many different ways to go about promoting a product, but the main idea is to use some sort of social media or platform. And this can include things like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, etc. Any platform that you can put your content onto is a money-making machine. There are a few major questions that I get asked when it comes to promoting your product, such as, do you need a following for this? Your answer is mainly no, but a little bit yes. I'll explain what I mean by that. Using social media to promote your product doesn't require you to have a following. Things such as Pinterest, people don't care about your following. Facebook, the aim is you get in front of the customers so they don't care about your following. And blogs, who actually has a following on blogs? But these are still viable sources that you can generate a lot of traffic from. The thing is, as you promote your product through TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, you build a following naturally. And this is purely because of the fact that people see your content, like what you're talking about, and follow and like. So having a following does build credibility, and it makes people trust you more when you're promoting a product, as if they see you have 10,000 followers, they'll be like, oh, 10,000 other people trust them, maybe they're more trustworthy. And it does make them more likely to buy the product that you're promoting. Another question I get frequently asked when it comes to promoting is, do I have to show my face or voice? Your answer is no. I would first ask, why don't you want to show your face? Does it make you uncomfortable? Are you afraid of judgment? If so, don't. You have to understand that if you're at a similar age to me, this portion of our lives is so small. And as soon as we are out of the education stage, no one really cares anymore. If you look at all the successful people, I guarantee you they were judged when they were younger and when they were starting out. But now they're big and they've made it, no one actually cares. If you are really worried about showing your face, you must still take step 1 and 2 of this video, but you just promote your product differently. I can make an entire separate video on this whole method, but for now, I'll go over it quickly. So, if you were to go onto TikTok and search for a specific niche, such as yoga, fitness, photography, for example, you would definitely come across one of these accounts. As you can see, these accounts don't show their identity whatsoever. They just post niche-related content and I assume keep up to date with it to increase the views. They then have a link in their bio which will take you to shop horror, an affiliate marketing sales page, where for all of these products they're an affiliate for. So they post yoga related videos. People who are into yoga will see and interact and find their buyer, and therefore buy those related products. So they are essentially making money from posting stock footage of yoga, and you can do it too. So you understand affiliate marketing, have a product to promote, understand how to promote it. What more do you have to do? Well, to have any successful business, the idea is to build a relationship between you and the customer. And that's where building an email and a funnel sequence comes in. A funnel sequence is basically a fast website. There's no drop-down menus to take you to different pages. There's a page with a button which goes to a different page with a button that goes to a different page, which essentially funnels the customers through to the product. So let me explain to you how a sales funnel actually works. Basically, what you have here on the left is known as traffic sources such as Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And this is where you find the customers. You post content related to the niche you're talking about. People who also like that niche will see that content. And then boom, you throw an affiliate link into a product. When they click on that affiliate link in your bio, for example, they'll be taken to what's known as an opt-in page. Now this page is very simple. All it is 2 boxes to fill in their name and email address and opt in. You basically say, fill in your email here to go to the next page. And then they'll be sent to the bridge page. But what you're actually doing is collecting their emails down here. And I'll explain why in a minute. The bridge page is basically a page with a small video explaining who you are, building a relationship with the customer. It then has a call to action which will take them to the final sales page here. This bridge page is basically just to build credibility and basically make it so the customer isn't just chucked from the email straight to the affiliate sales page, as it's almost like they feel a bit lost. Then from the bridge page, you take them to the sales page, which is the company's sales page. This is where the company takes over. You don't have to do anything more than here, and they'll buy the product if they want to. Now, I know what you're thinking. Do I have to buy a funnel software? Yes, if you want to have a successful business. I have seen people do it without, but you don't get the email marketing factor, which is absolutely crucial when you have any sort of business. There are 3 ways to do it, such as GrooveFunnels, but with GrooveFunnels, it gives you minimal tools and it gives you the bare minimum, which will probably end up causing you more problems than good. So I would recommend Builderall. As Builderall has a funnel software, a website builder, an email autoresponder, which is crucial, and I'll get onto that why. It has app builders, chat builders, Instagram autoresponders, photo editing softwares, social media auto posters. Like, it's got everything you would need, not only to build a funnel, but create a fully functioning business. If you have started the 15-day business builder challenge, then you probably come over ClickFunnels, which is great, but they really focus on the funnel building, meaning they don't have extra tools such as email auto-responding, meaning you have to buy an additional software just for that. and it's more expensive. Here's a quick comparison. You can pause and see for yourself what you think. Builderall does go to $69 a month, which is about £50, but you can get your first month for $1 with the link below. And if you don't like it, you can always cancel. So email autoresponder, you need this. This basically allows you to write a bunch of emails and get them sent out automatically whenever you like. And that's where capturing emails here comes in. And this is important, as there was a study showing that every $1 you spend on email marketing, you make around $40 in return, which is insane. A lot of the time as an affiliate, you'll get it where people enter their email, but don't follow all the way through to buy the product. But don't be disheartened by this, because you're basically capturing their email, which you can use as an asset. Because if you have 100 people in your email list and you found another product that you want to start promoting, you can write one email and send it out to all of those 100 people at once. Now this is big, because if done right, you can create a whole business around selling people products for email. Now you don't just want to throw products at their face though, because sales come when you provide value to the customer, such as giving them tips and tricks of how to get started, because no one likes these spammy buy these now emails. And then they'll just unsubscribe, so you're basically actually losing customers. So definitely consider Builderall. I'll put a link down below for the $1 for the first month. And if you don't like it, you can always cancel. And there you go. That's my recommended 4-step affiliate marketing process of how to get started up and running. If you've enjoyed this video or learned anything from it, please consider subscribing, as it allows me to bring more content like this to you to help you out. Please also tell me in the comments below if you have any questions or any future recommendations for videos you would like to see from me, as I'll be sure to read them all and take them on board. My contact details are also down below, so if you want to ask me questions in private, you can go ahead and do so. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.